how to book affordable city rides with Indrive. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to book rides right here with Indrive. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So we are in the Indrive website. So to book city rides, simply click on city to city over here. Go to for passengers. Afterwards, just simply enter the address and where you're coming from and the address and where you're going to. So just simply add your address over here and the address you're going to, when you will be going to that city, how many passengers will be going with you, and then your offer for your fare. This one's optional. Then afterwards, just simply click on find a driver, and then Indrive will now start looking drivers for you. Then what you have to do now is wait and accept for a driver. And then that's pretty much it. So yeah, again, there will be a special link in the description below and where you get special discounts or special promos if you're going to book city rides right here with Indrive. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.